Hello guys, welcome back to literature classes. This is Abhilasha Yadav. Guys, today we are going to talk about active and passive voice. Active and passive voice we have learnt according to the tenses. But despite those tenses, meaning is that, for example, we have learnt the sentences of simple present, simple past, etc. But there are some different types of sentences which we find in some exams, in some competitive exams. So guys, that time we get confused if we don't learn these things. Okay, for example, we see that suppose a sentence is given like he is to read the Bible. He is to read the Bible. He has to do this work. He has to go to temple. Means when we see these types of sentences, we get confused how to change these sentences. How to convert these sentences into passive voice. Because we don't learn these things. We have not seen too much these sentences, but we can expect that these sentences would be asked into the exams. So we should be prepared for those sentences also. If we have learnt all the things related to active and passive voice, why should we leave these things? So guys, we are going to learn today in this video related to these types of sentences. For example, he is to read the Gita, or he has to go to there, he has to eat the food, or we see the sentences start from it. It is time to eat food. It is time to learn dance. So nobody knows how to change these sentences into passive voice. So guys, today we are going to learn these things with the examples. For example, he is to read the Bible. He is to read the Bible. How can we change this sentence? How can we change this sentence into passive voice? If the sentence will be he reads the Bible, so we can easily change Bible is read by him. Clear? Bible is read by him. It is simple. But the sentence also used infinitive. He is to read. Helping verb plus infinitive plus main verb. So how can we change? If only helping verb and main verb would be there, so we can easily change. But if the infinitive is also used, so how can we change? We should learn these things. We have to know the rule. How can we change this? See the next example. He is to purchase a television. This is also a sentence given. Okay, so how can we change? See the rule. First of all, we need to know how to recognize that this sentence. How can we know that which type of sentence is this? So if we find subject plus ismr as helping verb ismr, was, were, has, have, had, meaning is that in these types of sentences the helping verb would be is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. Any helping verb would be used with these sentences. Okay, plus infinitive. What is infinitive? To is called infinitive. Okay, then verb. That is main verb, that is action verb. Then in the bracket you are watching to plus V1. That means infinitive plus main verb. And main verb would be in the first form. Clear? Then what we see? Object. When we find any sentence based on this structure, that time how can we change that sentence into passive voice? If the examiner says change this sentence into passive voice, and the structure would be, as I am telling you, subject plus these auxiliary verb is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, plus infinitive means to plus main verb in the first form, then object. For example, he is to read the Bible. Here you are watching, he is the subject, is the helping verb that is used as I told you in the structure also. Then infinitive, that is to. Then read, main verb in the first form, main verb in the first form. Then the Bible is the object here. Clear? In the next example also the structure is same. For example, he is the subject, is the helping verb, then to is infinitive, purchase is the first form of the main verb, then a television is the object. Clear? So how can we change, what will be the rule of this sentence into passive voice? So see the rule. First of all, as the same rule of changing into passive voice, passive subject, that will be the object of active. Okay, the same formula would be applied here also. Then is, am, are, was, were, or has, have, had, whichever the helping verb would be used with the active sentence, that will be applied same as in the passive voice. Then infinitive to, that is then main verb, that will be changed into third form. Clear? Main verb will be in the first form, but we have to change that first form into third form. Then object, because this is also the rule that we have to change any helping verb, any main verb into third form according to the passive voice rules. Clear? So for example, he is to read the Bible. How can we change it? So according to the rule, we have to first apply the object as the subject. So the Bible, then what we need to find out helping verb. So is helping verb is used here. So we have to apply the same helping verb. The Bible is. The Bible is. Then what we need to do? We have to add to, that is also used in the active sentence. So the Bible is. Then to. Then read. Bible is to be read. Bible is to be read by him. Bible is to be read by him. I have not used be in the rules, but you have to use be. Okay? As you are watching in the example, the Bible is to be read by him. See the next example. He has purchased a television. He has purchased a television. Here subject, then auxiliary verb, that is has, then purchased is the main verb here. After that a television. Okay, that is object. Here you would say, ma'am, it is the action verb is in the third form, that is purchased. And the first form of the purchase is purchased, not purchased. But here in the example, that is this is in the third form. So guys, it is in the third form. Why? Because has is used. This sentence is in present perfect. He has purchased a television. Okay. So how can we change this sentence into passive voice? So first of all, a television, then helping verb, that is has. Helping verb, that is has. And also we have to use to, that is infinitive. A television has to. After that be. We have to use verb form, that is be. A television has to be. Then main verb, that is purchased. A television has to be purchased. Then we have to use by. After that him as the object. Clear? Then see the next example. I have to do it. I have to do is the example here. How can we change it? It is all there is also we have seen that to is used, meaning is that infinitive is used. So first of all, it is the object. So it, then have. It, then what is there? Have. So it is the singular, so we can use has, not have. So it has, then to, after that be. To is the infinitive, to plus be, to plus be, then main verb, to plus be, then main verb. So it has to be, then main verb do, did, done. So done, it has to be done. Then we have to apply by. I, object of I is me. It has to be done by me. Clear? Guys, suppose you find a sentence, there is no money to buy. Here also infinitive is used, but the structure is something different. Okay. Another example, there is nothing to say. Here is also the structure is something different from other three examples. So, guys, how can we change this sentence? Is it any different thing here which we have to apply? See the things. Guys, first of all, we need to know what will be the structure of these types of sentence. We have to learn it. So, first of all, there will be in the sentence, then plus verb. Verb means auxiliary verb, is, MR, was, were, etc. Okay, there plus verb, then noun. Like no money is the noun here, nothing is a noun here. Then, or you can say subject. Plus infinitive, that is to, then main verb, that is in the first form. Why main verb is in the first form? Because infinitive is used with main verb. That's why it is in the first form. There is no money to buy. There is nothing to say. Okay, according to the structure, the sentence is given. So how can we change this sentence into passive voice? See the structure. First of all, we have to apply there. Then auxiliary verb will be same which is given in the question. Then noun. Noun, that will be the subject of the active sentence. Then to be. To be, then main verb in the third form. Then by, then object, that is understood. That's why I have not written it. See, in the example, there is no money to buy. There, then helping verb, that is auxiliary verb is also called. Then no money is the noun here. Then to, infinitive, then by. How can we change? There is no money to be bought. I told you the rule that first of all we have to apply there, then is the helping verb, then no money is the object, to plus be, to plus be, then main verb will be changed into third form. So buy, bought. Here bought. There is no money to be bought. Clear? See the next example. There is nothing to say. There is nothing to say. The same sentence, how can we change it? First of all, there will be applied as the same. Then helping verb is, there is, then noun, nothing. Nothing. Then we have to apply to be. To is the infinitive, then verb form be, to be, then say will be changed to said as a third form. There is nothing to be said. There is nothing to be said. See the next example. There is nothing to gain. There is nothing to gain. How can we change this sentence into passive voice? First of all, there, then auxiliary verb is, then nothing as the subject, or you can say noun, then infinitive plus be, then main verb will be changed into third form, that is gain, will be gained. So there is nothing to be gained. Clear? Guys, Suppose you find some sentences which will start from it. Which will start from it. How can we change those sentences? For example, it is time to learn computer. It is time to learn computer, or you find sentence, it is time to eat the food. It is time to travel. How can you change these sentences into passive voice? See the next example. Suppose you find it is time to play cricket. It is time to play cricket. Here is also to is used. To is the infinitive that is used with main verb. So to is working here as infinitive. Okay. How can you change this sentence? First of all, we need to know what will be the structure of these types of sentences. So, it plus auxiliary verb plus noun, that is time. Clear? Then infinitive, that is to. Then main verb, that will be in the first form. Play. Then object, that is cricket. Clear? See, how can we change? See the structure. It will be applied as it is. Then auxiliary verb will be applied as it is. Then noun as it is. Then we have to write a thing, that is for. For is the preposition that will be used in the passive sentence. Plus object. Then to be. To is infinitive. Then verb form be. Then main verb will be converted into third form. Clear? Then by plus object. If it is needed. Clear? So, for example, we are going to change it. It is time to learn computer. It is time to learn computer. Okay. So, how can you change this sentence into passive voice? First of all, as according to the rule, we have to apply it as it is. So, it, then auxiliary verb, that is. So, it is. Then we have to apply noun, that is time. It is time. Then we have to write for. We have to add for. Then object. What is the object in the sentence? Computer is the object. So it is time for computer. Okay. Then we have to apply to be. To be together. So it is time for computer to be. Then main verb will be converted into third form, that is learn. So it will be learnt. It is time for computer to be learnt. Clear? Learn this with the next example. It is time to play cricket. It is time to play cricket. How can you change this sentence? Same formula. First of all, it, then is as a helping verb, then time as a noun, then for. Then for, after that, object, that is cricket. Then to be. To be, then main verb in the third form, that is play, will be played. So, it is time for cricket to be played. Clear? Guys, see the next example. It is time to do our homework. It is time to do our homework. Here also, we are watching the same formula is applied in the active sentence. So, we have to apply the same formula in the passive sentence. For example, it is time. So, it will be applied as the same. Okay, it, then auxiliary verb is, then noun, time, then for. For will be added here. So, it is time for. Then what? Then we have to write object. Our homework. It is time for our homework. Our homework is the object here. Then to be. Then to be done. Do, did, done. Main verb in the third form. It is time for our homework to be done. Clear? So guys, these are all some different types of sentences. These are some different types of active sentences. Sometimes we need to change these sentences into passive voice, but we got confused sometimes in the question paper or in the exams. So if you would see this video, I think your doubts will be clear. Suppose you have any doubt, any questions in your mind, please write it in the comment section below. I'll definitely answer your question. And that's it for today. I'll meet you very soon with a new video. Till then, keep strong and have fun with literature. Thank you.